the most powerful typhoon to hit South Korea in years. This is Busan, a large port city known for its beaches. But on Tuesday they were empty as waves crashed on shore and flooded roads. Typhoon Hinnamnor dumped almost a meter of rain on the country, flooding roads and flattening trees. Thousands of people had to be evacuated, with Marines helping with the rescue efforts. In the southeastern city of Pohang, at least 5 people were killed. One was swept away by strong currents. But officials say that the death toll could have been higher if people hadn't followed warnings to prepare.
뭐 막는 거라든가 예를 들어서 모래찜이라든가 준비를 지금 저기 하고 있어요. 내놓고 많이 올 것 같으면 빨리 대비를 해서 지난번보다는 피해를 입고 싶지 않아요. 피해를 많이 입고 났습니다.
After hitting South Korea, Hinnamnor weakened to a tropical storm, but it's left behind a trail of destruction and thousands of people picking up the pieces. Asnaya, Chou and Louise for TaiwanPlus.